Good morning, everyone. This is a video to help you navigate through Mrs. Ryan's Google Classroom a little bit easier. So today, you're going to look for her assignment. The first one is Mrs. Ryan posted a new question, if you are present and ready. So we're going to click on that. This is going to be our attendance for today. So first, you have to read the directions. Follow all the steps below. Number 1, answer a question and mark as done. 2, type I am ready in the class comments message stream down below here. Open all attached assignments for today in the Google Classroom and look at today's agenda slide. Then you can join the Google Meet. So the first step was to answer the question, which is all the way to the right over here. So I'm going to select present and ready. Then I'm going to click turn in. And number 2 says, type I am ready in the class comments. I'm going to write I am ready and then post my message. Now we're on to number 3. Open all attached assignments for today in the Google Classroom and look at today's agenda slide. So now I'm going to go back to the classroom page where it says Colleen Ryan posted a new assignment. So I'm going to select that. Again, I'm going to read all the directions, follow all steps below. Number 1, you should have already answered the attendance question and typed I am ready in the class comments message stream and mark is done. I did that. Number 2, open all attached assignments for today in the Google Classroom and look at today's agenda slide. So here's my attachment. So now I'm going to click it and it's going to open in a new tab. So this is my agenda slide. So I'm going to read through it so that I know what we are doing today. So to-do list. Now you should have answered the posted attendance question and also typed I am ready into the assignment class comments. Today is 9/9. We will finish what we started on 9/8. Open our app in a new browser tab and it's linked over here. You can find our class app also on our Google Classroom under the topic Digital Tools. We're going to watch a video tutorial on Google Classroom. Then we will play a Kahoot review game. So now that my attachments are opened up, I'm now going to go back to my directions. Now I can join the Google Meet. So then you go back up here to the home page, and then the Meet link would be right under the classroom title name.